In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your own picture in Gmail background theme with the Gmail update for 2023 to 2020 voice ratio. If you've ever wanted to give your Gmail interface a more personal touch or simply refresh the look of your inbox, customizing your background is a fantastic way to do just that. Let's dive into the steps involved to achieve this. First, you'll want to open Gmail and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on it. A quick settings panel will drop down from the top of the screen. In this menu, you can select See All Settings if you'd like to explore all available settings, but for our purpose today, simply click on Themes from the quick settings panel. Now that you've opened the Themes section, the next step involves selecting View All. This option will unveil a variety of theme choices that Gmail offers. However, since we're focusing on setting a personal picture as your background, scroll down a bit until you see the options labeled My Photos or Upload a Photo. Click on one of these to proceed to the next step. You'll then be prompted to either choose a previously uploaded photo from your library or upload a new photo directly from your computer. If you're uploading a new image, click on Select a photo from your computer. A file dialog will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. Select the image you wish to use as your Gmail background and upload it. After the image is uploaded, you'll have the option to adjust its position and brightness to better suit the Gmail interface. Use the on-screen tools to tweak these settings until you're satisfied with the look of your background. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to apply the theme. Simply click Save or Done, depending on the context provided on the screen. And there you have it. Your Gmail account will now proudly display your custom background image every time you log in. Customizing your Gmail background not only makes it more visually appealing, but also adds a personal vibe every time you check your emails. It's a simple process that can make spending time in your inbox more enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today on this quick and easy guide. Enjoy your new personalized Gmail background.